Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I am just going to be coming to you guys with like a little hack. Oh, and all information about this hair will be down below because I know you guys will be asking about it. But anyways, I'm just coming to you guys with a quick hack. Okay, a lot of people want to start making wigs, but some people are under the impression that you need a wig block. A wig block is this right here. It is known as a wig block or a canvas head. Mine looks yucky because, honey, this is used faithfully. Okay, this stuff that is on it, it's not mold or anything. It's just hair dye. I dye wigs on here. It's some glue, hot glue, regular glue, everything is on here. Now people feel like, Erin, you know, I can't start making wigs because I don't have one of those fancy things, or I can't afford one of them, you know, or whatever the case may be, and that's okay. I'm going to show you guys what I was actually using before I started using this wig block, and I still sometimes utilize it whenever I want an extra head. Okay, and this is the size canvas head that I have. It is a 24. I did get it big because my head is pretty big. Okay, and then with my hair, it just makes my head even bigger, and I felt like, why get like a smaller one? It's just easier to resize a wig that's too big than a wig that's too small. You get what I'm saying? So let's get right into the video. I'm going to be showing you guys some things that you are going to need. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to need is you're going to need one of these wig heads. Some ladies use these for like storing their wigs. I don't. They're just not they're not sturdy enough for me for that. But anyways, you're gonna need one of these. They have different sizes of these. They have one that has a bigger head than this, which is the one I was looking for, but it is okay. This one worked just fine. This was like $3 at my local beauty supply store. Okay, that's a deal. All right, and I will be putting the prices and everything for like canvas heads and links and all that kind of stuff like that, so don't fret. Okay, so you're gonna need a canvas head. You're gonna need some duct tape, whatever kind of duct tape. Child went to Dollar Tree and just got some duct tape, and you're going to also need some newspapers, and I just have some newspapers that were in my mailbox, and we are going to get started. All right, so let's start out by measuring our head. I'm going to sit these heads to the side. We're going to start out by measuring our head. Now, some people want to be very precise. I have been doing this for a long time, so I pretty much don't just have to measure my head because I kind of have a good, you know, notion of kind of like how big or small my head is. This is what I'm trying to say. Sorry, I don't know why I'm trying to drag that out so long, but anyway, I kind of already know because I've been making wigs for a long time, and I just whatever. So if you do want to get the size correct, you know, you want to go in with one of these, and I got this from my local Walmart, and this is just like some measuring tape, and you want to measure your head all the way around. Normally the time you have to do this if you're ordering a wig from someone too. So you want to do this, and the way that you want to do this is you want to do it, well, I do it around my braids. So I have my hair braided, and I also have a wig on now. So I'm just going to, okay, just going to get it like this. And you just start it, and I just do like this, and I make sure I get around my braids in the back, and I just see what that is, and that is pretty much our measurement, about a 26. Okay, and my wig head is a 24. So after you measure your head, you're going to want to build your styrofoam head around your measurements. Okay, and the way to do that is you're gonna have to keep this handy so you can get it spot on. Okay, so keep it handy, and as you build it, you want to continuously measure the head. All right, if you already have a wig block, my wig block is a 24, you can just go off of that. Okay, like if I already have my wig block and I didn't really want to measure my head, I didn't feel like measuring my head, or I didn't have a, whatever the case may be, okay, I could just go off of my wig block, and I could just make this a 24, just like my wig block is a 24, and then I can have two wig heads that I can kind of play around with. You see what I'm saying? So anyways, done with the rambling. I'm going to show you guys how to build your wig block or fake canvas head. Okay, you guys pretty much seen how I, you know, build up my canvas head, because I know some of you guys are probably wondering, like, you know, what is she talking about, you know, building it up. Like I said, you measure your head first and then you build it up to the size that you want your head to be, your styrofoam head to be. So let me show you guys the finished product. It is not the prettiest thing in the world. Y'all probably looking like, girl, to look a mess, but you can do yours like neater and things like that. You can like take the time to have it smooth and things, but this was just a demonstration for the video to give you all like a rough idea of kind of how to make yours. All right, like I said, yours can be prettier than this, okay? It doesn't really matter. I'm just showing you guys just a quick and, you know, easy way to create your own canvas head. If maybe you want to make a wig really fast, you lost yours, or you can't afford a regular canvas head, whatever the case may be, this is a super great alternative, and you are not breaking the bank at all. Now, something that you guys seen me do, I did add one of these, just a little wig cap, and the reason for, you don't have to, but the reason for it is to kind of hold all that paper instead of me trying to like hold it down and tape it. I just put it on top and then I just stuffed it, you know, the way that I wanted it, and afterwards I just covered it in tape. The whole thing will usually be covered in tape and it'll be smooth, but like I said, I just didn't take the time to just make it perfect because it doesn't really matter. And I did go in and I measured this head with my tape measure, and it is a 24-inch head. Okay, so yeah, I hope that this video was helpful to you all. Oh yeah, before I go, I just want to tell you all the importance of actually resizing your canvas head. Okay, the purpose, or your styrofoam head, the purpose of resizing it is so that your wig can fit. A lot of times girls reach out to me like, Erin, my wig doesn't fit, you know, what do I do? Okay, and the first thing I ask them, first of all, what kind of cap are you using, and also what kind of head are you using? The head is almost the #1 thing. All right, and a lot of people say, well, I have the styrofoam head, you know, and even if you do have the bigger styrofoam head, a lot of times you do need to resize that to your own head shape, because you'll end up making a wig, taking all day to sew a wig or glue a wig or whatever the case may be, and it will not fit. So you have to make sure you mold whatever head you're using to your head, or you go ahead and measure your head, and if you plan on buying a canvas head, you measure your head to a decent circumference and pick the right size for you, because they have a lot of different sizes in the canvas wig blocks. Okay, so that is the importance of it. Don't just buy these things out of the store and then start making your wig. I don't want you to waste your time, and I don't want you to like waste the wig or whatever the case may be. Okay, just make sure you pick up one of these, measure your, oops, I almost hit myself. Pick up one of these, measure your head, and just make sure whatever wig head that you start on is the right size for you. All right, so anyways guys, I don't want this to be real long. I'm not gonna, you know, drag this out. Let me know if you did learn something. Let me know if you like these kind of how-tos, DIYs, kind of hacky, whatever you want to call it, type videos. And yeah, I'll definitely see y'all in my next video. Bye.